Hey guys, I'm not a pitmaster, I know. Due to family circumstances, the pitmaster, the real pitmaster, couldn't be here today. And hey, I'm taking over. Because, well, let's be honest, I am kind of addicted to barbecuing. So I went to the fridge. Well, basically, I broke into this place. I don't understand why Eva didn't attack me, because she should be the guard dog, but she didn't. I just drove in, I just went to the freezer, and I found something really beautiful. I found something really beautiful. It's a Tomahawk Wagyu, Australian, BMS 8-9. It's scaring me because I'm not a pro griller, but I'm gonna do this. Oh man, I stole this. I'm gonna grill it, and I think this video deserves a like and a subscribe. So please, if you watch this video, we're almost at 500,000 subscribers. Click the bell button down below and subscribe and hit that like button. It's really appreciated. So with that out of the way, Jim, you ever seen something like this?
That's a big one.
Let's just unpack this.
All right.
Hey man.
Hello, hello. What did you bring here? What did you steal?
Feel it, take it in your hands.
Oh my god, this is insane. I've never had like this big of a Wagyu tomahawk, or even like this big of a Wagyu or a tomahawk.
But did you ever had a stolen one?
No, not
Because you must know, stolen food is more delicious.
If Rule sees this, man.
He's not gonna know. Nobody's gonna tell him. Nobody that watches is going to tell him. So this is one of the biggest tomahawks I've seen in a while. Before we're gonna grill it or do anything with it, you gotta take it in your hand.
Oh man, I feel so manly right now. It's really massive.
It's a giant. So the real question is, do you want some extra flavor with it, or do you want to taste it in a pure way?
I kind of want to taste it in a pure way.
I totally get that, and well, I kind of agree. I don't want to screw this up. I don't want to screw this up with flavor that maybe is not complementing the meat.
So what are you gonna choose then?
I think we just have to grill it. A little bit of smoke wood. It's gonna give it a little bit more flavor than usual, than just without any rub or whatever. I'm just gonna use salt, I think. And oh man,
I can't wait. I'm already smiling like this is great.
I think the first thing we should do is take some pictures for Instagram.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Because otherwise people won't believe us. We are cooking on the kamadojoe. It's a ceramic grill. It reaches high temperatures and we're gonna smoke indirect first. So I put some charcoal in, and I've put all the charcoal on this side of the grill. I'm using a fire starter and I'm gonna put 3 of them in. I'm gonna light it up. And I'm gonna wait for the charcoal to become embers. All right, so I'm waiting for the charcoal now, and I got my meter block, well, the Pitmaster's meter block. I downloaded the app, so if I just stick in the first thermometer right here, all the way to the middle. It should be around here. I open up the app and I think we're good to go. I'm setting it for beef. We'll go for 52 degrees Celsius and I think it's ready. So I'm putting in the spider again. I'm gonna spread out the charcoal a little bit. I'm gonna stick in a little bit of beechwood for smoking. And now it's time for heat deflectors. Because we're gonna cook this indirect and the kamado is so efficient, we don't need that much heat yet. Now I'm going to put in the grill grates and we're ready. I'm a little bit scared. Jim, are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
No?
No, you're gonna nail this.
Yeah, but I'm the one who's going to probably mess it up. And it's an expensive piece, but well, we got a meter in, it can't go wrong, right? I'm gonna let it run until we reach a temperature of around 52 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna take it off. All right, my thermometer says that well, actually at some parts we're almost over it. and I just gotta take it off because I think that it went a little bit too hard, and we just gotta take it off and we gotta rest it, man, because at some parts it went crazy hot, and at some parts it went just, well, not that hot. And we reached a temperature of 52 degrees Celsius around the areas in the middle. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. I already told you, it's a big piece of meat and I've never done this before, and we're just doing this together, right? Me, the audience, Jim, we'll just see. I still gotta eat. I wanna eat it.
I think you nailed it.
I'm not sure. We gotta rest it and then I'm gonna switch it up, get some fire on it, man. All right, so what I want to do is take out the grill grates, and now we take out the heat deflectors, and then I'm going to open up all the vents and we'll start grilling. Get that sear, just that tiny little sear. All right, here we go. What do you think?
It looks great. I think you nailed the color.
I think it went way more perfect than I've ever hoped, because I was scared. But I think that's a grilling thing. I think everybody had something like that before. You buy an expensive piece of meat. Well, in my case, I stole it.
This was really expensive. Well, not for us, but
not for us. But you still have that gut feeling that if you screw up, then you're gonna think about the money. Sweating and being scared, and you have all these kinds of emotions. That's what it does to you.
Well, this emotion is great. It looks awesome.
You should try first, man.
All right, which part should I try? This looks great.
It looks great.
It's super juicy. Okay. Well, this is something.
Oh,
the smoke wood you put in really comes through.
I'm really amazed by how this turned out. And I think that my biggest rookie mistake was I didn't listen to the meter. I think we did it justice. Didn't we?
Definitely, you did it.
Yeah, but you're like mental support.
Mental.
Because grilling on your own, you need the mental support for a cut like this. This is not an easy cut to begin with. I'm not so scared of a big cut like this anymore.
I think that's pretty important.
You have to overcome it.
Yeah, it's like you're doubting and you want to do it perfect, but I think this proves that you can do it by just keep measuring, checking, and not ruin the steak.
I think you should close it off.
Thank you guys for watching. It's been an honor to be here, and it's been great to steal this steak. It worked out pretty well. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all the subscribers and all the Patreons.
Yes. And the YouTube members.
And the YouTube members. Yeah, I need to train this. This is my first time doing it.
And doesn't matter. Was my first time, man.
Thank you to everybody. This has been great. See you guys next time. Leave a like and subscribe. It's really important to us. We're very close to like 500,000.
500,000, man. Almost.
That's a milestone. So,
eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna finish this.
The whole plate.
No, you're gonna help me.